It's her birthday. I really, really like birthdays. Like, not just my own. I like everybody's birthday. It's kind of just a reminder of how cool it is that we're all just here. Something that I think we sometimes can forget how special even that is. So I really like birthdays. I love celebrating them. And so I wanted to take you guys along my birthday today, share with you what it is I'm going to eat to celebrate my birthday, and have you guys be part of this day as well, because you guys are really, really, really special to me. And I just want to show you how special you guys are to me. First of all, I opened my gifts from Trevor this morning, and first he got me these epic sweats. I told him I wanted some sweats that I could feel like I didn't just roll out of bed and actually wear them to work, well, at least like while filming, and still feel somewhat professional, so he really pulled through. But anyway, the other gift he got me, as a little preface to this, I'm always talking about the comments I see on my videos of you guys talking about how much my information has helped you, or how I've inspired some of you guys to become nutritionists, and how that literally always makes my day when I see those. So Trevor went through those comments and he created the first of 4 boards of you guys. And this is part of my birthday gift. In fact, this was the main gift he gave me. He had me open this one last because he knew that I would love it the most. And I have on here just the starts of and the beginnings of a board of the A and Peeps that I'm going to hang up in my room as a reminder of why I do what I do every day. So I just want to share that with you guys and let you know that you guys are my inspiration and that you are literally my gift on my birthday from Trevor. I like teared up when I saw this. It was just a really thoughtful gift. It just made me really happy. So just want to let you guys know, you guys are a very big part of my birthday as well. Anyway, this didn't mean to get all emotional. I wanted to take you guys through what I'm doing on my birthday and what I'm eating on this day to celebrate, but also still feel good. So this morning, I still start off with my normal routine just to, again, put my head in the right place. I really like to still start off this way, even though it is my birthday. I got up in the morning, I meditated, I went on a walk with Trevor and Sophie, and then, of course, worked out and made my coffee. I had my regular keto coffee, which I love, and it's still a gift to me every single day. I made sure to have some water before that. I have a few plans for what I want to do today as well for my meals. So I'm planning some type of like Greek style dinner. Trevor and I went to Mykonos and Santorini a couple years back, and we love the food there. Oh my gosh, it's just so flavorful. So I'm planning on doing some type of mezza board thing. I have to do a little bit of research on that and see what I'm going to do. And something that I'm still doing is making sure that I eat enough at my first 2 meals before my birthday dinner. This is a huge thing I talk about in the treat meal video, where it's so important to make sure that you don't limit yourself earlier in the day if you are going to have a quote unquote treat later in the day, because ultimately they'll make it so that you go into that treat meal just starved and you end up craving more of the food than you would have had in the first place. This way you can still enjoy the food, not have way too much where it's going to make you feel terrible the next day, and you can still enjoy some of those perhaps more sugary treats you wouldn't normally have, or breads that you wouldn't normally have, or just other types of foods that, you know, on a consistent basis wouldn't make me feel great, but that I can still enjoy them by making sure that I'm satiated earlier in the day. I mean, guys, just look at these professional sweats. That's just professionalism. This might seem boring to some of you guys, but I like it, and I guess that's all that matters. But I'm still having my regular smoothie. I'm gonna make the one that I've been making lately. If you guys watched my Instagram story, then you saw me make it the other day. But it's this kind of take on one from the Level Up guide. It's like a turmeric-y, gingery, has a little bit of bite to it, but it's also a little sweet because there's the pineapple in it. So making that today and using almond butter, so switch it up a bit. Got my chia seeds, cacao nibs, duh, Greek yogurt, frozen pineapple. What am I missing? What am I missing? I can't think. Oh, it'll come to me. Oh, duh. The ginger and the turmeric. This has just been like my favorite as of late. I've been going through phases of either having like a chia brekkie bowl. Obviously you guys know I love that one. And then just a Greek yogurt bowl, and then a smoothie bowl, and just regular smoothies. Right now I've been feeling like it's summer and I want something like fresh and just refreshing. So I'm going back to smoothies for a bit. It's actually one of my friends' family's almond butter. Usually I don't allow this one to be used for smoothies and only eaten because it tastes so good. So good. But it's my birthday, so going a little crazy. Now for the pineapple. So I saw some of you guys on Instagram noted my clever little way of measuring. When I measure things myself, I never bring out a measuring spoon or anything because then that's one other thing that you have to clean. So I just measure things based off of the cap. So for this one, it's like half cap ginger and about the same of turmeric. Very sophisticated means of measuring. A little bit of leftovers that I'll use to top it off. Cacao nibs, I mean, duh. Cacao is so sneakily high in fiber. So if you ever have issues getting more fiber in your diet, throwing a couple tablespoons of cacao nibs is like one of the easiest things you could do to up your fiber. Usually, I only ever have my keto coffee and I stick to 1 per day, but it's my birthday. I'm going crazy. So I got a cappuccino as well. Hanging out with my mom. Birthday cappuccino. Happy birthday. Gosh, guys, I've been making this past like 3 days. It's so good. So usually I do a scrambled egg type of thing in here. I've been wanting to do an egg salad, just sounded like a little bit better. And I added in curry and oh my God, it's so good. Highly recommend it. I'll have the recipe up, but this is a really great option and I've been loving. So I'm gonna go take this up to Trevor now. Also, earlier I got a cappuccino, which I like never do. I really like cappuccinos. It's kind of like a treat for me because I know that when I get coffee from someplace else, it's not going to make me feel as good as if I were to have my purity coffee, especially because of my history of anxiety. So I try and limit it only to like really special occasions and not have too much. So I did have that cappuccino earlier, which was amazing. I can definitely feel it, but it was worth it. That's like my special treat to myself today for my birthday. That and dinner, which is coming soon. Very excited about that too. Okay, so for my dinner, for my birthday dinner with my family, I'm planning on making like a Greek mezza-ish platter, which is essentially just like a bunch of different things that you can kind of just grab like finger food. A lot of different flavors, a lot of different textures. So I'm doing this Greek chicken thing, which Trevor's actually prepping right now that he's going to grill. And then we're doing a cucumber dill salad to go along with it. What else? Labne. And always get it wrong on how to say it. What else are we making, Trevor? Oh, that's it. We're also grilling halloumi or like pan frying halloumi. I really like halloumi. That was one of our favorite things that we discovered we liked when we went to Greece a few years back. My mouth is watering right now thinking about it, but we're gonna make all of that, make it big, like a big mezza platter, and just kind of like experiment with some different things, see how things go. Alright guys, I just finished making dinner. I spent like the past 2 hours just cooking a bunch of really cool recipes, as you guys can see. Very excited about it. It turned out really pretty. So I'm going to be eating with my family now, celebrating my birthday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my birthday. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.